Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. Some little frogs had just had a harrowing experience down at the swampy meadow, and they came hopping home to report their adventure. "Oh, father," said one of the little frogs, all out of breath, "we have just seen the most terrible monster in all the world. It was enormous, with horns on its head and a long tail and hoofs." "Why, child, that was no monster. That was only an ox. He isn't so big. If I really put my mind to it, I could make myself as big as an ox. Just watch me." So the old frog blew himself up. "Was he as big as I am now?" he asked. "Oh, father, much bigger," cried the little frogs. Again the father frog blew himself up and asked his children if the ox could be as big as that. "Bigger, father, a great deal bigger," came the chorus from the little frogs. "If you blew yourself up until you burst, you could not be as big as the monster we saw in the swampy meadow." Provoked by such disparagement of his powers, the old frog made one more attempt. He blew and blew, swelled and swelled, until something went pop. The old frog had burst. The name of the story: The Frog and the Ox. The moral: self-conceit leads to self-destruction. The second story: A lion and a bear found a carcass of a fawn. Both were hungry, both wanted it, so they started to fight for it. The contest was long and hard and savage. At last, when both of them, half blinded and half dead, lay panting on the ground without the strength to touch the prize before them, a fox came by. Noting the helpless condition of the two beasts, the important fox stepped nimbly between them, seized the fawn over which they had battled, and with never a thank you, dragged it away to his den. The name of the story: The Lion, the Bear, and the Fox. Moral: only fools fight to exhaustion while a rogue runs off with the dinner.